everyone! I'm the Curious Fairy, and today we're heading to the tropical islands to discover all sorts of amazing animals, both on land and in the water. We'll also learn tons of fun facts about these creatures. And guess what? All our animal toys are magical and will come to life. Let's dive into the adventure right now. Let's make a big tropical island and add 3 small islands. I'm making a beach out of sand. And I'm decorating it with the seashells. Let's create ocean water using blue slime. Placing a variety of trees and plants. Tropical islands should be very green. Let's add logs and driftwood. And also corals for the coral reef. Look! The tropical islands in the warm ocean are ready! And they look amazing! Seems like it's time to invite the land and sea animals of the tropics. Jaguar. Unlike most cats, jaguars are great swimmers. They love splashing around in rivers and ponds and can even catch fish or swim after their prey. Their bite is so powerful, they can crush the shells of turtles and even bite through bones. Tapir. Tapirs have been around since the time of the dinosaurs. They haven't changed much in millions of years. Their nose is long and wiggly like a tiny elephant trunk. They use it to grab leaves, sniff around, and even snorkel when swimming. Elephant. Their big flappy ears work like fans. When elephants flap them, it helps cool down their huge bodies, perfect for hot days in the wild. They can remember places, other elephants, and even people for many years. That's why people say, an elephant never forgets. Whale shark. Even though they're the biggest fish in the world, whale sharks are super peaceful. They eat tiny food like plankton and won't hurt anyone. Every whale shark has a special pattern of spots and stripes, kind of like a fingerprint. No two are the same. Tamarin. The emperor tamarin looks like a monkey with a big white mustache, like a little jungle gentleman. Tamarin families work together to take care of babies. Even big brothers and sisters help carry and cuddle the little ones. Toucan. A toucan's beak can be bigger than its whole head, and it looks like a banana mixed with a rainbow. But don't worry, it's super light, not heavy at all. These colorful birds live in tropical rainforests and snack on juicy fruit all day. Emperor angelfish. The emperor angelfish has bold, blue and yellow stripes that look like they belong to a king or queen of the sea. Their colors help them blend into the coral reefs and look super fancy. These fish love to swim in warm waters around coral reefs in the Indian and Pacific Oceans. Cockatoo. Cockatoos love to chat and can even mimic sounds and words. Some cockatoos learn to say phrases or imitate household noises like ringing phones or doorbells. Cockatoos are known to dance and bob their heads to music. They're little party animals. Strawberry poison dart frog. These frogs are bright red, orange, or yellow with blue legs, and they look like walking berries. Their bold colors help warn predators that they are poisonous and should not be eaten. These frogs are found in rainforests of Central and South America. Clownfish. Clownfish and sea anemones have a special friendship. The clownfish lives safely inside the sea anemone's stinging tentacles, which protect them from predators. In return, the clownfish help keep the sea anemone clean by eating tiny parasites. Boa. Boas are constrictors, which means they wrap around their prey and squeeze until it can't move. They don't bite, but instead use their strength to suffocate their food. Boas range from tiny snakes to huge ones like the boa constrictor. Viper fish. Viper fish are known for their long, sharp teeth that stick out even when their mouths are closed. These fawn-like teeth help them catch prey in the dark, deep ocean. Viper fish are found thousands of feet below the ocean's surface, where it's pitch dark. Red macaw. Red macaws enjoy a diet of fruits, nuts, seeds, and berries, using their powerful beaks to crack open tough shells and seeds. Red macaws form strong bonds with their partners and often mate for life. They stay together, raise their babies, and live happily in the treetops of rainforests. Dolphins. Dolphins are known to be one of the most intelligent animals. They can solve problems, use tools, and even recognize themselves in mirrors. Dolphins have their own language made up of clicks, whistles, and body movements. Monitor lizard. Monitor lizards have sharp claws that help them climb trees, dig, and hold onto their prey. Their long, strong tails are also used for balance and can even be used as a weapon if they need to defend themselves. Lobster. Lobsters are famous for their big claws. One is usually bigger and stronger than the other. They use these claws for catching food, defending themselves, and even fighting other lobsters. Ring-tailed lemur. Ring-tailed lemurs often spend their mornings sitting in the sun with their arms outstretched and their faces up, soaking up warmth. It's their way of getting energized for the day. Ring-tailed lemurs live exclusively in the wild in Madagascar. Pallet surgeonfish. Pallet surgeonfish are known for their bright colors, especially their blue and yellow patterns. Their colors help them blend into the coral reefs, making them look like they're part of the reef itself. Stingray. Stingrays are often found buried in the sand of the ocean floor. They camouflage themselves so well that you might not even notice them until they move. Stingrays are named for the sharp, venomous barb at the base of their tails. They use it for self-defense if they feel threatened. Sloth. Sloths have long, curved claws that help them hang from tree branches, even while they sleep. Sloths mostly eat leaves and plants. Since their food doesn't give them much energy, they need to move slowly and sleep a lot to conserve energy. Flying fish. Flying fish don't truly fly like birds. Instead, they glide and sometimes make multiple hops through the air by dipping back into the water and jumping again. Flying fish use their gliding abilities to escape predators. Armadillo. Armadillos are known for their hard, armor-like shells that protect them from predators. The shell is made of bony plates covered in tough skin, like a built-in shield. Armadillos are excellent diggers. They use their sharp claws to dig burrows in the ground. Wow! Look at this awesome tropical diorama we made together! It turned out amazing! We've also learned so much about the animals that live in the tropical land and waters. Fantastic work, everyone! Now, how about we play a fun game? Where's the front part of the crocodile? Where's the hind part of the crocodile? Where's the front part of the hippo? Where's the hind part of the hippo? Where's the front part of the bear? Where's the hind part of the bear? Where's the front part of the tiger? Where's the hind part of the tiger? Where's the front part of the panda? Where's the hind part of the panda? Where's the front part of the elephant? Where's the hind part of the elephant? Where's the front part of the penguin? Where's the hind part of the penguin? Where's the front part of the kangaroo? Where's the hind part of the kangaroo? Where is the front part of the turtle? And the hind part? We did it! Good job!